Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to Radiography Series 1. Today we will discuss about X-ray chest lateral view erect. So let's start to learn radiography in an easy way. Indication: to localize a lesion seen on a frontal chest X-ray, to clarify lobar collapse, consolidation, to explore a retrosternal or retrocardiac shadow, or to confirm the presence of encysted fluid in the oblique fissure. Patient preparation: allow patient to change into hospital clothes, remove all metal objects, remove upper undergarments in female patients. If the patient is female, ensure the LMP and confirm non-pregnant status. Take special care with details from elderly, handicapped, deaf, blind, very young individuals with poor language problem. Ask any previous reports and or films for comparison. Cassette size: 14 into 17 inches, 14 into 14 inches, and 10 into 12 inches for a child. Exposure values: exposure value for adult kV 120, ms 4 to 5, ms range between 2 to 16. In child, kV 90, ms 2.5, ms range between 1 to 5. Positioning of patient and cassette: bring in the patient, decide the cassette format and put the cassette in the cassette holder. Collimate to that format. Position the patient normally left lateral as shown in the picture. The patient should be upright or leaning slightly forward, not backwards. Use the cassette holder arm for support. The mid-axillary line is coincident with the middle of the film, and the cassette is adjusted to include the apices and the lower lobes to the level of the first lumbar vertebra. Direction of centering of X-ray beam: direct the horizontal central ray at the right angle to the middle of the cassette at the mid-axillary line. Centering point at the mid-coronal plane of the level of 7th thoracic vertebra, approximately the inferior angle of the scapula. Keep SID at 180 cm. Orientation: portrait. Grid: yes, always use grid to enhance image quality. Patient instruction: remember to explain your patient what you are about to do. Tell the patient to take a deep breath and hold the breath in, then expose. Always remember to tell your patient to breathe normally. Image technical factor: the top of the lungs must be visible, straight lateral view of the sternum. Make sure that the lower parts of the diaphragm is visible. The chin should not be superimposing any structures. Radiation safety and protection: always follow ALARA principle as low as reasonably achievable. Always follow three main principles of radiation protection. First, time. Second, distance. Third, shielding. Minimize exposure time. Keep appropriate distance. Always use lead protection. Collimate part of X-ray. Avoid repeat X-ray. Always check pregnancy status in female patient. If needed, take a consent. Always use radiation protection accessories like lead apron, thyroid shield, gonal shield, etc. Strictly follow radiation safety protocol, especially in the pediatric patients. Now your quality radiograph of chest lateral view erect is ready. That's all for this video. I hope this video will help you to take a chest lateral view erect in an easy way. Please do subscribe our channel and share this video with your radiographer friends.